Put your hands together for Bhamik Walia.
Good morning to
Good evening.
good evening to respected sir and my dear friends. My topic is describe and book summary.
Description of a book summary.
Description of book summary. My book name is Magic of English.
Very good.
It is my favorite.
Very good.
It written by
It is written by.
It is written by Umesh Arora, English Guru.
There are many chapters.
There are many chapters.
So I like it.
So I like it. Thank you for learning. Thank you for listening me.
Very nice.